Well, hello and welcome to QuipCon. Thanks for stopping by to check out this coffee maker. Now, I know people buy stuff off the internet and they're always worried, oh, does it work? Is it going to work when I get it? And all that kind of stuff. Well, when you buy things from QuipCon, you don't have to worry about that. That's why we do these videos. We go through it, we test it, and we show you how well everything works. Now, keep in mind, we haven't cleaned this up yet. Usually like to do these videos like this before we clean them because otherwise, well, we hook it all up and then we end up having to clean it again. So there will be pictures on our website, which is www.quipcon, QUIPCON.com. The pictures of it all nice and clean. You'll be able to see what it's going to actually look like when you receive it. So first of all, let's go through. I'll show you that the elements work down here. We got a heating pad right here. Turn that on. You can see we've got 315, 318 degrees, so that's working. I'm going to turn the front and the top one. Now that's the top pads right here. That's the two elements right here. That will heat up your pots when you set them up there. I'm going to let those run just for a little while and let them warm up. But right now I'm going to start the brewing process. I'm going to push the button. You can hear the solenoid kick in, and pretty soon water's going to start coming out. And there it is. Now normally you'll fill this with grounds and you'll have it in there, so you'll just have one little stream coming out the bottom, but this is a little more dramatic. You can see how well it works. You can see the steam coming off of it, so you know the water's nice and hot. I've got these up here. I'm going to check and see the temperature on that one. That one is 100, 216, 222. You can see it's heating up as we speak. This one is at 208. So that one's holding about constant right there. Now it does have the manual fill right here. If you want to use it that way, you can pour the water in and stick the pot underneath there. It'll go through that way. Also has a switch for, it's called the volume switch. Now it does not make it louder or quieter. It's the amount of coffee. It's for 2 pots or 1. And we have this big container down here. It actually holds 1, 2, 3 pots, 36 cups. So we have it set to 2. There's also a hot water dispenser right here. In case you just need hot water, you can pull that and you see hot water comes out of there. All right, any questions on this, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our phone number is 636-583-8200. And remember, go to our website, www.quipcon, QUIPCON.com, and there'll be pictures there of the coffee pot all nice and cleaned up. This is the actual lid. I want to show you that. This is the lid that fits on here. Now you see there's only one little bitty hole there. Well, that actually lines up with this hole. So we'll slide this on and you'll see what I mean. Not quite as dramatic as the water spraying out, but that's what you get. You can see the steam coming off. You know it's hot. We can try to take a temperature of the water. Now this isn't going to work very well with this because the water's clear. It doesn't reflect quite right and all that, but we're actually considerably warmer than that. Probably up to around 190, 195. But this thing does not take temperature of water very well. It's not really made for that.